guys, good morning to all of us, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to our channel. Every couple has a story.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And we're on the way to San Carlos City. I just done attending the mass, and we're on the way to San Carlos City to celebrate the Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there, and praying that all of you will be having a wonderful time together with your family and kids. And I'm gonna treat my husband breakfast there in Mr. C, and hopefully that he enjoy his Father's Day together with his lovely wife and son.
Yeah, you got that correct. She's not only lovely, she's beautiful.
I was going to give him some flowers, but he always have some flowers with me. Fresh flowers all the time.
Yeah.
So
yeah, you're my flowers, you're my sunshine.
yeah. Thank you.
See, I get to enjoy sunrise again.
Instead of buying the flowers, I just treat him a wonderful breakfast, and hopefully that he will enjoy, and also Virgin go with us, and hopefully that we have a good time there. And it's already 6:30 in the morning. We normally eat breakfast around 7 a.m. 7:30. So we're not late yet, right?
No, not yet.
Yeah, we're not late. So hopefully they have a special menu for Father's Day, and hopefully her van will be okay, because last month in Mother's Day we have that overheat problem. So hopefully this time van is okay. Seems to be okay, right?
Seems to be.
Because we'll be having some road trip yesterday, then the van is fine. There's no heating problems since we have been climbing in the mountains yesterday, so there's no problem in our van now, and hopefully everything is okay. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes, so stay tuned for now. So we are here at Mr. C Outdoor. They only have only one customer this morning.
Good, we can be special.
That's for. And they have this kids playground on this side. Virgil can play there. Nice. No sunshine. And that's my husband, son Virgil. Morning. Morning. Where you want to set? Maybe in the side here. Not the big one, because we only have 4. We only have 3. We can set here in the side. There. You want there? We just side. Higher lang ga. Or just sit down here. Morning. Virgin, look at. This is the menu. The menu.
Thank you.
Thank you. What you want, langga? Not the burger. In the other side. Look, what you want? Longganisa, tapa. Let me see. Pancake imo.
Waffles, bacon and egg.
Ah, ito to?
Waffles, bacon and egg.
Waffles. You want waffles, Jill? Bacon and egg? That's good. They have waffles, bacon and egg, Daddy, for special.
And omelette croissant, ma'am.
Omelette croissant.
Yes, ma'am.
Omelette croissant.
And smoked salmon with smash.
Omelette croissant.
Omelette croissant.
Omelette croissant.
Oh, omelet croissant.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to do the big fella.
Huh? Waffle version, it's
I'm
good.
I'm a big fella, so I want a big
Waffle,
fella.
kana lang waffle usa.
Saka waffle. What is salmon with smash mo?
This is their breakfast menu. So my husband ordered the big fella. As you can see. Big fella.
Yeah,
What
big fella
else?
for a big fella.
Danggit,
And we'll have
fried
coffee.
egg, garlic.
Brewed
or
coffee,
lemon,
please.
Side dish.
Yeah, brew coffee, please.
Kung saan nga danggit atong bulad, no? I'm thinking what I'm gonna order. Tapa lang bro. Kanilang tapa usapod. Pali, oo.
Rice na ni mom, garlic or plain rice?
Garlic lang palihog. What's your now may fresh juice?
Yes, orange juice.
Fresh na ninyo? Fresh juice. What may watermelon?
Nami watermelon shake.
Watermelon shake?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Shake.
kanang juice ba?
Pineapple na, pineapple in can.
What you want, Virgil? Orange juice? Orange?
Or
Wow.
pineapple
Ayan.
juice.
Orange lang.
Saka orange juice.
Pag usa ka pineapple.
Yes, ma'am.
Kana lang your order.
Is hot Americano ka, sir?
Ang choco ninyo na may choco.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay, orange juice na lang duha pali ilan tong pineapple.
Okay,
Oo.
orange juice.
Oo.
Saka hot Americano.
Oo. Kana lang. Thank you.
Okay na ni ma'am.
Oo. Oo.
Isa ka waffles, bacon and egg. Isa ka big fella, isa ka tapa, garlic rice, duha ka orange juice, isa ka hot Americano.
Oo.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we already ordered our breakfast. Virgil got the waffle and some egg. And my husband got that big fella. Cause you're big, right? That's why big fella. Okay. That's why. Daddy, I'm talking. That's why you ordered the big fella because you're big, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
And I ordered the beef tapa and some garlic rice, and we have some coffee and orange juice. So this is our view this morning. Look at that nice view.
Wi-Fi off.
And look at that, our foods. Wow, that's a big fella there. It's 2 sunny side up eggs, some pancake, hash browns, beans. Is that beans?
Yeah, beans,
Beans,
mushrooms.
sausage, and bacon, and some mushroom. And my husband got some coffee. I have this beef tapa with garlic rice and some sunny side up egg and tomato in the side dish. And what that Virgil got? What did you got, Virgil? Look, tell them what you got. It's a waffle.
You hungry?
Wow, that's bacon and some waffle. Can you eat that all?
No.
With some fruits on it.
Yeah, you can. You can have it. No problem.
Wow, that's lots of breakfast. Yeah, you can handle that, Virgil. You're a big boy. So that your bones will be very strong, right? My husband is enjoying his breakfast too.
Mhm.
And eat the waffle lang ga. There's a spoon here. There. Here.
No, don't pour.
Only spoon. And look at that. Big breakfast for us, guys. Delicious, delicious, baby.
That reminds me, don't forget to ask about the keys.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask. This beautiful view. Wonderful breakfast. And we're just finished eating our breakfast, and as you can see, our plates is almost empty. I got this small rice left. My husband still have some small coffee left. And look at that That's my husband's plate and Virgil's plate. So Virgil already eat the half of his breakfast and he gave it to his daddy, some of it. And look, the surroundings here. There's always a person been cleaning. They always maintain the cleanliness of the surroundings here. And they have a lots of customers arrived. Foods are very delicious. As you can see, foods are very delicious, and I have delicious foods in mine. I have that beef tapa. It's very good taste. It tastes so good. And Virgil enjoy his waffle and also the fruits, and he really loved that bacon. He wants more bacon, so but he's just full and he can't eat it all, so he gave it to my husband, to his daddy. And look at that. That's Awani Hotel there. There's a new hotel, and it's not so busy this morning. The road is not so busy. Look at it's so green. Surroundings are so green. Supposedly it's turning brown, but it's have life again. The greeniness of the surrounding, it come back. Look at that. That acacia tree is so pretty. It's so really nice in here. So we really had an enjoyable time, and my husband have a very enjoyable time, especially his breakfast. He really enjoyed his breakfast this morning. And maybe after here we're gonna headed back home, or maybe we stop there in the City Hardware because we're gonna buy some table, because the table that we got there in the house, we only have 2 tables, and we need some extra tables this coming fiesta. And we prefer that kind of table that you can fold only, so that we can put it in the storage box or storage where our storage area is. And we're gonna check the price, how much it is. If it's too expensive, we just not buy it, because we can buy cheaper in online. And also that table that we're gonna buy, we're gonna use it to our new incubator. We need to buy a new bigger incubator maybe by next month. So that's why we bought also another table, so that we can put the other incubator, the big one. And it's a lots of we're gonna use that table that we're gonna buy today, or maybe we're gonna order it online. So hopefully that everything turns out good. And also already my husband's enjoying his Father's Day. So hopefully all of you guys that you have a wonderful Father's Day together with your family, some friends, kids, and just enjoy each moment to your loved ones. So this coming June 22, it's my husband's birthday, and I'm gonna do something special for his birthday. Hopefully that we're able to do that, because upcoming fiesta again is in June 24. So maybe we're gonna have some pig, that we're gonna buy some pig and some roasted pig, and because we're gonna share the foods to our neighbors and also to the other friends. Here in the Philippines, if you have some fiesta, some of the other barangays will gonna go to your house and you're gonna have the foods. So maybe we're gonna buy some roasted pig that's already cooked, and Maybe we're gonna have another pig that we're gonna cook there in the house. Hopefully everything turns good as we plan. And also sharing the foods is very nice, especially some of the people here in the Philippines do not even eat good foods every day. So we try our best to share the foods, and I let my uncle cook the foods because my uncle is good in cooking. He lives in Cebu, but he gonna visit here maybe this week, maybe this coming Wednesday or Thursday, and we gonna buy lots of vegetables for the fiesta also, because we need a lot of vegetables. So I think that's all for today, guys. That's all for this morning. I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you so much again for watching and for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel and if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Every couple's story, and we're gonna share more story to you, all of you guys. Thank you so much again, and God bless us all.